Hey guys, welcome to another video. As you can see, we're in the 6 liter. It finally is back. It was the longest time away from a vehicle I think I've ever had, and you know, quite honestly, I missed it. However, nothing comes without a price. So today's video, we're going to be talking about exactly what we ended up going through and spending using this lovely little, I made a little envelope here that's got everything in it, including the latest and greatest receipt from everything that was done to the truck. So stick around. Okay, let's get started here. Alright, so let's go first through the entire story. So you guys remember that very first video regarding the start, about how the truck decided to hesitate on a cold start. Every other time it'd be fine, but whenever we turn it on first thing in the morning, it would kind of stall and then kind of sputter, start up, and then once the truck was warmed up, it was good to go. So that's what started this whole fiasco, right? And this large invoice. All right, so I'm gonna go down the line here, and we're gonna just see exactly what was happening. So I dropped it off a little while ago, and according to this, my customer complaint was runs rough, missing, and then head gaskets. So they tested, they found 3 injectors were down, the coolant was leaking into the oil, and then they tested the torque on my head studs way below spec. I'm talking 135 foot-pounds. That's insane. So the biggest thing was the fact that one of the heads were cracked. I'll post up that picture now, as you can see. Right there on the exhaust valve, I think that one is. The exhaust valve has a small crack, and then on the other head there is a big warp. It's warped, I think 11 thousandths, so way out of spec. All right, so I had to get 2 new Ford heads. We used black diamond head gaskets. Patrick assured me that black diamond head gaskets will work perfect. You just got to make sure you do the servicing just right on both the block and the heads. Sinister diesel oil cooler. I talked about in my last video, we were going to go do the oil cooler. He pressure checked the oil cooler, said it was okay. However, the contamination inside of there might have left a few silicates plugging up the fins. So I just said, you know what, let's go ahead and just do the oil cooler, whatever. We'll stay in the budget. Gaskets, O-rings, stuff like that, that all comes with it. We use factory gold oil, or factory Ford gold coolant. We did upgrade the standpipes and dummy plugs, check that out. Let's see what else we got here. Your fluids, power steering, transmission fluid. You have to get the oil change, obviously. Oh, the injectors, of course. 3 injectors, number 8, 7, and 3. It's definitely running a lot better. No more smoke, by the way, on startup. That's great. It runs like a top, has all its power back again. So, end of the story, right? It was a pretty penny to get the truck running exactly how I needed to. Actually, I was planning on selling this thing, but it still is for sale. It's not a matter that I can't afford to take care of it, because that's what I do. If I have something broken, I want to take care of it. But it needs a good home. I don't treat it exactly how a truck should. I've always loved diesels, but I really have no use for them. So with that being said, I'm gonna start it out at 17. This is a 2005 Ford Powerstroke. Top end works good. It's got an 06 block in it. So heads are new. I got the receipts. Everything you need right here. Right there, there's the receipts. So I'm gonna get this truck off me. I'll still be making more content, of course. So if you enjoyed this video, please leave it a thumbs up. Leave a comment, subscribe for more. I got a new camera. As you can see how awesome, and you can just see how awesome my skin looks. Kidding. Anyways, if you guys want more content, please leave a like, drop a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe for more. I'm always wanting to put out more content for you guys. I'll see you all in the next video.